Finally, the much awaited phone of the year 2021. Yes, Redmi Note 10 series has been launched in India, the most expected phone of the year. In this video, we are going to see the price, specifications, the features, and a quick review about Redmi Note 10 Pro. So, I am going to tell before the end of the video which phone we need to buy, Redmi Note 10 Pro or Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Everything we will discuss in short. So, without any delay, let's start the video. Hey guys, this is Munir and you're watching Techie for You. Today we are going to discuss about the Redmi Note 10 Pro review. Yes, we are going to see the quick review about Redmi Note 10 Pro, and before the end of the video I will tell you which phone we need to buy, Redmi Note 10 Pro or Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, because everyone having the same question. Many of them are confused which phone we need to buy. I will definitely tell you about that. So let's see the review. First time Xiaomi has launched a Super AMOLED display. Yes, this phone comes with 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The camera is 64 megapixel quad camera with ultra wide, telemacro and depth lens with 3D frosted glass back with weight of 192 grams. And the massive mega battery is 5020 mAh battery. This is the first time in Redmi Note series with 5020 mAh with OS of MIUI 12 and update of Android 11. SIM card is dedicated, micro SD slot is available, and with the 120Hz refresh rate, the flagship feature they have provided in this budget Note series. The chipset is Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G and the selfie is 16 megapixel camera in display. The in display punch hole cutout is very small, so you can see the image and look out how small it is, the punch hole cutout with 16 megapixel in display camera. Yes, they have given fingerprint sensor in side mounted below the power button. And there is two variants in this phone, 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM with 64GB storage and 128GB storage. The first sale started on 17th March and the next sale is going to start on 24th March at 12 noon exclusively in mi.com and amazon.com with a price of 16,999. If you talk about the camera, this phone has a 3 camera, 64 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 8 megapixel. The 64 megapixel is a rear camera with 8 megapixel is for ultra wide and 5 megapixel is for telemacro and 2 megapixel for depth lens. Full HD, and the camera features are night mode 2.0. Dual video is also available. So you can record video with the back camera as well as you can record with the selfie camera in a single video, and the long exposure option is there, magic clone mode is there, and vlog mode. If you're having a vlog channel in YouTube, you can capture your face as well as the back side. There is no Alexa inbuilt with this Redmi Note 10 Pro. We already had in Redmi Note 9 Pro, but this phone we do not have Alexa inbuilt, and there is no overheating issues. Heating is different and overheating is different, and the charging capacity is 1 hour 20 minutes for full charges. Yes, if you want to full charge, it will take nearly 1 of hours. And there is inbox 33 watts charger. It has a Type-C charge. So the touch refresh rate is 240 Hz. The touch refresh hertz means we tap on the Facebook, the WhatsApp and the Instagram, how we tap with our thumb. So that refresh rate is 240 Hz, and the back side of the phone is covered with glass protected So which type of glass they have protected, what type of glass they have used, they have not revealed anything from Xiaomi company. And there is 2 years update will come from Xiaomi. Yes, Android 11 is there, MIUI 12, there will be update from MIUI, so off until 2 years. So 5020 mAh battery is there, so it will take time to charge, nearly 1.5 hours. So it's a really good phone to buy under this budget with good battery backup. So we can record with this camera 4K 30 frame per second and full HD with 60 frame per second. There is vlog mode, clone option is there, and dual video is also available in this phone. There are 3 variants in this Redmi Note 10 Pro. The first one is 6GB RAM, 64GB storage is 15,999, and 6GB RAM, 128GB storage is 16,999, and 8GB RAM with 128GB storage is 18,999. Everything is okay. Which phone we need to buy? Redmi Note 10 Pro or Pro Max? This is the common question in everyone's mind today. So see, I will tell you in simple way. Redmi Note 10 Pro and Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. If you want 108 megapixel camera, you can buy Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. If you don't want, Redmi Note 10 Pro is enough. Other than that, every feature specifications are same to same in these two phones. So if you want 108 megapixel camera, you need to spend 3000 extra for that. And if you don't want, you can save 3000 with Redmi Note 10 Pro with 64 megapixel quad camera. Redmi Note 10 Pro is completely 4G. Yes, Redmi Note 10 series totally is 4G and there is no 5G in any of the model. So if you want 4G, you can buy this phone, and if you want 5G, you can buy Mi 10i phone. That will be really suitable for you. Redmi has given 5 megapixel for macro shots. This is the best phone ever for taking macro shots. So if you are a really fan of macro shots, you can take amazing pictures with 5 megapixel with macro shots. This phone comes with dual stereo speakers. Yes, the top of the phone they have given stereo speakers, and the bottom of the phone also they have provided stereo speakers. So both stereo speakers works well and you will really enjoy with this sound. So another thing is Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor. So this chipset is really amazing in this budget range. So you can play without any lagging, you can play games and you can watch movies continuously. You can take quality images in low light, night mode, and in sunlight. If the sunlight is there, the photos will become dark and there is no issues in this phone, and there is clarity images in low light and night mode. If you want to take in night, there will be really good quality images. There are 3 colors in this phone: dark night, vintage bronze, and glacial blue. I personally suggest you to buy vintage bronze, which is really premium look and will give you less fingerprint smudges on your phone. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until we meet in next video, it's bye from Munir. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You all know Techie for you, and hit the like button and share with your lovable friends, and don't miss to click the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification as soon as I upload in YouTube. So take care, bye bye, be safe and happy weekend.